this is Ben with Dr. Shrink, and today we're going to be going over some of our most commonly used products. If you have any questions about any of the products that you see today, please feel free to give us a call. We'd be happy to answer any of your questions or reference our website at dr-shrink.com. Okay, so here we have our shrink wrap, and your shrink wrap is always going to be 100% virgin resin, and it has the max amount of UV inhibitors that allow it to have long-term use without breaking down due to UV exposure. The most common colors that you'll see is your clear, your white, and your blue. Each color has its own purposes. The first one is going to be your clear, and this is most commonly seen on geodesic domes or greenhouses or things of that nature. Sometimes you'll see these in boat brokerage yards so that people can actually see what's going on inside underneath the film. Now what you have to remember with the clear film is that because of the clear nature of it, you're going to have a lot more moisture that's going to collect underneath the film. So generally you do not want to use the clear film for any type of storage situation. The next color would be your blue, and generally speaking, the blue is going to be used more for a northern climate where you're going to have high snow loads and things of that nature. Your blue is going to absorb the sunlight. It's going to help to knock off your heavy snow loads and things of that nature. The third color option that you have is going to be your white. This is the most commonly used film. This can be used in a southern climate. This can be used in a northern climate. The white is going to reflect the UV off the film. It's going to help to keep everything more at an even keel temperature. So those are your three basic colors of the film. With all of our film, it's important to remember to keep the film off the ground. In order to do this, we have a couple different film rack options available. If you would like to know in more detail what those options are, please feel free to give us a call or visit us at dr-shrink.com.